Say hello to the ladder stanchion anchor from FallTech, your go-to for fall protection on fixed ladders, keeping workers safe with a solid anchorage point for lifelines. Built from tough galvanized carbon steel, it comes in 5-foot or 10-foot lengths with 5 inches or 12-inch offsets to fit any setup. It's super easy to install, bolt it on or weld it, your choice, with all the hardware included right out of the box. Perfect for construction or utility jobs, it meets strict OSHA standards for peace of mind. Imagine climbing with confidence, knowing this anchor's got your back every step of the way. Its durability means it'll stand up to harsh conditions without breaking a sweat. The Cobra Walldriller Plus is a drywall champ, doubling the strength of its predecessor with 3 expandable legs that grip like a vise. No pre-drilling is needed, just screw it in with sizes number 6 to number 12, thanks to its reinforced nylon body and zinc-plated screws. It's your secret weapon for hanging heavy stuff like TVs or shelves without a fuss. Picture this, a quick twist, and you've got a rock-solid hold that won't budge. Made to last, it's perfect for anyone who wants strength without the hassle of complicated setups. Whether it's a home reno or a quick fix, this anchor's got you covered. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Meet the Werner R3 anchor, a concrete beast that installs and removes with one hand. Talk about convenience. Crafted from stainless steel with a diamond-hard carbon coating, it's built to last through 5,000 cycles without losing its edge. It's omnidirectional, so you can use it horizontally, vertically, or overhead. Perfect for pros working at height. Imagine popping this into concrete and feeling that instant security for your safety gear. No complicated tools, just a quick setup that's as tough as it gets. Ideal for construction sites, it's a time saver that doesn't skimp on strength. If you need reliable fall protection, this one's a game changer. The Screw It Again wood anchor is a genius fix for stripped wood holes, fitting anything from 2 to 10 millimeters with ease. Scored to snap to size and threaded for a tight grip, it's notched, so you can screw it in with just a screwdriver. No glue, no mess. Perfect for reviving furniture or cabinetry. It's like giving your wood a second life. Imagine repairing a wobbly chair in minutes, with a hold that feels brand new. Reusable and simple, it's a DIYer's dream for quick, lasting fixes. No need to toss out that favorite piece, this anchor's got the magic touch. It's a small tool with a big impact. The CELO TPL is a plasterboard hero. Self-drilling with no pre-work needed. Just grab your screw and go. Made from glass fiber reinforced nylon, it comes with a 3.7 by 50 millimeter screw and handles panels 10 to 70 millimeters thick, fixing items up to 15 millimeters deep. It's perfect for mounting heavy TVs or shelves with a strong, tilt-resistant hold. Picture this, a fast install that feels like it's welded in place, all with minimal effort. Great for anyone who hates extra steps but loves a solid result. Its clever design makes it a standout for quick home upgrades. You'll be amazed at how easy it makes tough jobs. The KEIL Undercut anchor is your facade's best friend, hiding away for a sleek, invisible finish with its patented drilling tech. Made from A4 stainless steel, it fights off corrosion and keeps panels safe from temperature shifts. No cracks, no worries. It's a dream for architects wanting bold, stress-free designs that last. Imagine a facade that looks flawless and stays secure, no matter the weather. Easy to install. It's all about safety and style in one package. Perfect for modern buildings, it's as tough as it is clever. This one's for the pros who want perfection. The Rawlplug TFIX 8ST is a facade-fixing rockstar with a sleeve compression zone that nails precision and cuts thermal bridging. It works on tons of materials, delivering high load strength so you need fewer fixings per job. Pre-assembled for speed, it's a time saver for construction or reno projects. Picture a facade that's not just secure but energy smart too. Pretty cool, right? Ideal for pros or DIYers tackling insulation systems, it's built to impress. Its universal fit makes it a no-brainer for any base material. This one's all about efficiency and power. Gripit Blue brings the muscle to the plasterboard, holding up to 113 kilograms, think boilers, TVs, or radiators, with ease. Its gripping wings lock in tight on 9.5 millimeters to 15 millimeters boards, and all you need is a 25 millimeters drill bit to get started. Reusable and reliable, it's perfect for heavy home setups that demand strength. Imagine hanging your flat screen in minutes, knowing it's not going anywhere. Simple to install, it's a DIY favorite that doesn't mess around. No more worrying about weak walls. This one's got the grip you need. It's a must-have for serious home projects. The Cobra Xpress is your picture-hanging shortcut, popping in with one hand and no tools in seconds flat. 2 anchoring points give it surprising strength for light stuff like photos or decor, and it's removable for easy swaps. Made from zinc-plated steel, it sits flush for a clean look every time. Picture this: new art, up in a snap, no fuss, no damage. Available in small, medium, and large. It's versatile for any space, perfect for renters or anyone who loves a quick refresh. This little guy makes decorating a breeze. The Fischer WST Klik Plus 140 is a solo installer's dream, setting up wash basins on tiles with nylon plugs and galvanized steel bolts. Its click system stops tilting, aligning everything perfectly on concrete or masonry. Easy to assemble and disassemble, it's a bathroom Reno game changer. Imagine fitting a sink without a helper, all secure and steady in no time. It's built for precision, making your job smoother and faster. Ideal for DIYers or pros who want hassle-free plumbing fixes. This kit's got your back for a flawless finish. The Toggler Alligator AF6 is a beast for hollow or solid surfaces with a flanged head that boosts stability. Made from corrosion-resistant polypropylene, it pulls up to 675 pounds in concrete. Serious power. Perfect for heavy-duty jobs like mounting fixtures in drywall or concrete. It's a pro's best pal. Imagine a hold so strong that you'd trust it with anything. Easy to install. It's versatile enough for any material you throw at it. Its durability means no rust and no worries, even outdoors. This one's a powerhouse you can count on. The Rawlplug R-DCA wedge anchor is a concrete king. Hammer set with an internal thread for a flush, fierce hold. Made from galvanized carbon steel, it shines in cracked or non-cracked concrete, even under fire conditions. Ideal for structural repairs or installations, it's as tough as they come. Picture a quick tap, and you've got a rock-solid base for anything heavy. It's a favorite for pros needing reliability fast. No complex gear, just hammer and go. This anchor's built for the big jobs. Bullfix universal anchors pack a punch, holding up to 255 pounds with wings that spread behind drywall for unbeatable strength. Perfect for cavity or dot and dab walls, they are installed with a 13/16-inch bit. Easy peasy. Great for TVs or shelves. They won't let you down, no matter the load. Imagine mounting your dream setup without a second thought. Built tough, they're a DIYers or pros go-to for heavy lifting. No anchor failure here, just pure, dependable power. These are the real deal for drywall domination. The Fischer Heavy Duty Fixing Kit is your all-in-one for concrete and masonry, loaded with injection mortar, anchor rods, and sleeves. It's perfect for steel structures or railings, hitting high strength fast for industrial or construction wins. Imagine tackling a massive project with everything you need in one box. Its early and ultimate power means no waiting around. Get it done. Ideal for pros who demand the best, it's a heavy hitter. No job's too big with this kit in your corner. It's strength, simplified. The Hilti HST3 wedge anchor is a concrete titan, handling dynamic loads with tight spacing and edge distances. Made from galvanized carbon steel, some sizes skip hole cleaning for speed. How's that for efficiency? Perfect for seismic zones or structural work. It's a pro's dream tool. Imagine a fast, secure fix that laughs at tough conditions. It even comes with design software support to nail every detail. Built to last, it's ideal for critical safety jobs. This anchor's pure engineering brilliance. Timco Screwfix bridges plasterboard to blockwork, making dot and dab walls ready for radiators or shelves with ease. Zinc-plated steel keeps it strong and quick to install. No fuss, just results. Picture hanging heavy stuff without worrying about wall collapse. It's a game changer for tricky setups, delivering a solid hold every time. Perfect for DIYers or pros needing a fast, reliable fix. Its metal build means it's in for the long haul. This one's your ticket to stress-free mounting. Metal cavity anchors are your plasterboard pros, with expanding arms that lock in tight for radiators or shelving. Fitting walls 3 to 50 millimeters thick, they handle high loads indoors with no sweat. Imagine a quick install that turns weak walls into sturdy ones. Pretty sweet, right? They're simple, strong, and perfect for home upgrades. No complex tools, just pop them in and go. Ideal for anyone who wants durability without the drama. These anchors mean business. The Huck Magna Grip. Huck Bolt is a vibration-proof legend, with a wide grip range from grade 2 steel that beats 4 regular bolts. Perfect for aerospace or construction. It's a permanent fix for critical spots. Imagine a joint that never rattles loose. no matter the shakes. Its two-piece design makes it tough yet simple to use. Pros love it for jobs where failure's not an option. It's all about the strength you can trust every time. This fastener's a total rockstar. Quick Read. Fast Set is your concrete fix in a flash, setting hard in 20 to 30 minutes for repairs or anchoring. It beats ASTM standards, coming in sizes for any job, from pavements to decks. Imagine pouring and moving on fast. No downtime, just done. Perfect for urgent projects needing quick strength. It's a lifesaver, easy to mix and pour. It's great for DIY or pro work. Its rapid gain means you're back in action ASAP. This stuff's a speed demon with muscle. The WAG1 Wedge Anchor is a concrete classic, galvanized carbon steel that installs easy and holds tight. It works in cracked or non-cracked concrete, perfect for machinery or handrails. Picture a fast setup with strength you can lean on, literally. Ideal for pros or DIYers needing a reliable fix. It's no-nonsense power. Simple to use, it's all about getting the job done right. Its galvanized finish fights rust for the long haul. This anchor's a solid win every time. The Fischer SX Plus Wallplug brings four-way expansion to solid materials, with nylon that grips like crazy for a rock-solid hold. Its fixing blades make overhead installs a breeze, perfect for shelves or fixtures up to 15 millimeters deep, no slipping allowed. Picture a plug that locks in tight, handling any angle or load with confidence. Easy to pop in, it's a go-to for durability that lasts and lasts, no matter the job. Made from high-quality nylon, it's built to stay put, not budge an inch. Ideal for anyone wanting a simple, strong solution without the fuss. This little plug punches way above its weight. Trust me, it's a game changer for your projects. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.